Hello Cancerians and welcome to my channel The Healing Goddess. Today we'll be doing June 2020 readings exclusively for you. I'm so excited to be doing this reading and I can't wait, so let's start. Let's start off with the tarot cards first and then we'll go to the oracle cards. Your cards are the Tower reverse, Eight of Wands upright, Temperance reverse, and Six of Swords reverse. So all these cards are pointing towards a personal transition that you will be going through in June, and it says that you've been so busy and preoccupied and you've also been distracted from your main goal, in the sense that till now you had been involved in some kind of imbalance or some kind of excess. So this is a card of balance, but this is reversed. So this is saying that something is out of balance or your life is a little off. So you could be overeating, you could be drinking a lot, you could be having some substance abuse or some kind of behavioral pattern or some kind of negativity is going on in your life, which you also want to cut out from your life, but you've been resisting that change. Something from inside your mind is urging you to give up all these things to make a change, and you very well know that a change is required right now. So in June you will finally step up and release those negativities from your life and you will move toward a better future. This card over here tells me that you are on an intensely personal journey, and it is a journey of personal change, of release, of finding better pastures, but it is private, it is inside of you. You don't want to share it with others, and you've been on this journey for some time, and in June you'll be able to realize that these changes are initiated by you, by yourself, and not forced upon you, and that these changes will be for the better in the long term. This card also indicates air travel or travel to a lot of places, or you could be on a tour, or you could join a group where you are excited to explore certain places and journey and travel. So this is a card of travel as well. And it also says that for some of you, either a relative or a partner or someone from your life could be moving to another place, because of which you also have to move, and you would be thinking that you did not want to go, or you were not asked about it, or you were not involved in this, and these changes have been forced upon you. But you will realize that maybe that place has better opportunities for you. Something is in store for you and the future is brighter over there. So ultimately, whatever changes that it is that you have to make, whether it is external or internal, you will be doing that in June. Also, this card encourages you to give up any substances that could be deterring your health and to pay attention on your health. This card says that events are happening very quickly in your life now. There is a gateway that has opened in your life, and the universal energy is propelling you towards changes, very fast changes. So you have to make use of this opportunity as much as you can, because maybe till now things were not moving as quickly as you thought they would. There were delays, there were obstacles, but right now things are moving very quickly. So if you want to make any changes in your life, if you want to transition your life, or if you want to completely change your perspective or bring certain opportunities in your life, then this is the best time. Also, it's a great time to manifest, because those manifestations will turn into reality very quickly, and in June you will realize that all these things are happening very quickly. If you had applied for something and you were not getting an answer back, then in June things will solve for you. The month of June will provide a solution for everything. This card over here, the Tower reverse, tells me that you will begin to question your spiritual beliefs, your old traditions, and you will realize that you can no longer support those old models in your life and in your mind. So you will begin questioning others' opinions, others' advice and traditions, and all those systems that you had been following since long time ago. Also, since you are on an intensely personal journey, you will begin to question your own beliefs, your own way of living life, and in extremely dramatic cases you can even begin to question your existence. That is, you can have existential crisis. You can begin to think what your purpose in life is. I've made a video on what is your life purpose. So if you're interested, I can provide the link for that video in the description box and also above. So you can have a look at that, and it'll help you in many ways. So this card also says that it is a time for spiritual awakening. Your connection with the spirits will increase, will become stronger. You will begin to understand and pay attention to your intuition. You will get a lot of answers. So if you need answers in your life, if you want guidance as to what next steps should you take to make use of this fast paced opportunity and changes in your life, then you can try to relax and sit in a quiet place and meditate, so that answers will come to you. And definitely answers will come to you, because these changes are guided from above, from the universe, and they will definitely help you to take the next steps. Let's see what the oracle cards have in store for you. So we have full moon in Pisces, balance, spirituality and practicality. So this card says that it could be a card of beginnings and endings. I'll tell you how. This card says that Pisces is the last sign in the zodiac signs range, so it denotes endings. Also, this means that certain things will be ending in your life to make space for new things to emerge in your life, because something in your mind from inside is emerging, but you could be silencing that voice from a long time, but you will finally pay heed to it in June. And this card says that now you need to make a list. You can make bullet points and list of what all you need in your life, how you want to approach your goals, how you want to achieve your dreams, what are your short-term goals, what are your long-term goals. You can make a list of all that, and then you can see practically what is possible and what is not, how fast certain things can happen and how long it will take for other things to happen. So you can have at least an idea, you can have an analysis, and then you can see what needs to be changed in your life and what needs to be added or subtracted from your life, so that everything comes in alignment. This card also says that it's time for union of soulmates. So if you already have someone in your life and you are inquiring about them, then they are your soulmates. Also, if you give up this habit which is weighing you down or which is pulling you back, then you can move towards a higher frequency and you can move towards better opportunities and also better people, and that is when you can meet your soulmate, because you have to vibrate at a higher frequency to unite with your soulmate. And when you are in a lower frequency, then union is not possible. So these changes are propelling you for your best. The next card we have here is Victory Reverse. So Victory Reverse says that from a long time you could be facing delays, and whatever you put your mind and soul into is not getting completed, or you're not able to achieve that. It is because something is out of balance and you are not able to put your heart and mind into one place. They are not working in alignment. Your heart wants something else. Your heart is directing you towards something else, maybe something more exciting and something more new and exciting, but your logical mind is shutting that voice and saying that no, that's not possible, that's not practically possible. So if you're interested in some creative endeavor, or you want to start something of your own, or you want to change your direction, now is the best time. June will provide you the courage to take that leap and change your path, because destiny is calling you somewhere else, but you are stuck in a place or with a person or with a situation or in a situation which is not fruitful to you. So in June you will be able to release those people, those circumstances, those situations from your life, and you will be able to move forward. The Victory Reverse card also says that ultimately the biggest form of victory, true victory, is when we are able to balance our emotions. So try to balance your emotions, try to get, this also talks about balance, here also balance, and this also talks about balance. So make sure that whatever it is that is holding you back or not serving your body and mind and soul, you have to give that up, and you will ultimately be able to do that in June. So that's a very nice sign, and I'm so glad that I'm able to be a part of your transition and your journey towards better future. Also, this whole situation will help you from moving from the idea phase to the practical plan phase. So write down all your ideas, and I hope you'll be able to come to a conclusion where you will be able to realize your true dreams and you will be able to move forward with them. Let's see what the last card says. This is a card about inner authority. So this says that, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for supporting me as I take back my power and listen to my intuition, desires and feelings. So it could be that you are receiving a lot of ideas and suggestions and advice from people, and you are very confused right now about what path to take, about what decision to make. But this card says that everything you need, all the answers you need are within. You are wise enough, you have that authority to understand and to make a decision, because you want to make decisions for yourself. So allow yourself to do whatever you truly want, and there will be no delays and obstacles. Obstacles happen because either we are supposed to be changing something in our path, or we are supposed to take a different path. So doors begin to close so that we can pay attention to that one door which is meant for us, and we actually knock over there and then open it. This card encourages you to realize your inner worth, your self-worth and your decision-making ability. So once you have a practical and logical approach in life, and also you listen to your heart's desire, you will be able to decide your next steps, and all the answers will come from within. So if there have been any delays, do not be upset, because once you decide what to do, things will begin to move very quickly, because the universe wants to propel you and act as a catalyst to put you on that fast-paced track to success. So that's it from my side. I hope this reading helps you in many ways, and I'm so glad I'm with you in this journey. Do stay connected. If you like this reading, please do hit the like button. Comment what resonated. Share this video with your friends and family. Consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get all the future updates of my videos. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. See you soon again. Bye-bye.